Hi again, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our gold price weekly forecast. Gold today. Before getting through our video, just let me drag your attention that our best-selling package, the Grandmaster, is running on a massive discount at the moment. It's $500 one-time payment with a validity of 6 months, an average of 5 to 8 highly accurate trading signals are sent to our customers. So this offer is valid for 1 week. You may consider and reach us on the WhatsApp number that is mentioned on the ad. Uh, Starting with the gold performance, on the last trading session, gold closed little above $1,852 per ounce, and on the last week, gold traded as low as $1,840 and as high as $1,869 per ounce. Now, at the moment, gold is trading still technically, you can say that we are in some sort of a counter trend rally. We are actually in a downtrend, and we are in a counter trend rally, and the RSI readings are like positive in all the charts, the daily, weekly, and the monthly chart. The support levels are located at 1820, 1780, and 1680, and the resistance levels at 1865, then 1881, then 1900. The pivot for the weekly and the daily chart for the last trading session of Friday, they are located somewhere between 1853 to 1854, will act as a resistance. That's all for numbers. We'll move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming weekend from the United States, on Monday it's a holiday in the United States, it's the Memorial Day, and on Tuesday we're waiting for the CP Consumer Confidence, and on Friday we're waiting for the non-farm payroll and the unemployment rate. That's all for the economic calendar. Moving now to the trading strategy. Hi again, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast Gold today. If you are new to this part of the video, just let me guide you how this works. We're going to start with a quick recap, then we will examine the US dollar chart, and we'll have a look at the gold chart, and we'll arrive at the most suitable trading idea for the upcoming week. Starting with a recap, on our last video, we have said clearly that with a close above the 200 days, there is simple moving average. Gold will try to move toward 1900. More precisely, we were like expecting 1880 toward 1910. We got somehow 1870, and that's what we got in the last week. Now, starting with the US dollar chart, from the chart, the US dollar is, let's say, in a bottoming stage. It's still, for me at least, okay, the US dollar is a buy and dip. Especially here at these levels. We are at 101.6. I don't see the US dollar going below 100. And this should be the bottom for now. And I do expect that the US dollar will do a turnaround and will make a higher high. And now this is like is high is high. It's hard to predict. This is the most important currency in the world. It's hard to predict. So we got to see what the US dollar will do in the coming week. If we bounce from 100 or a little around, we are en route for another rally to the upside. Now moving on to the gold chart, as I said in the US dollar chart, which is the main driver of the gold price, uh, uh, we said that it's not clear. Okay, the US dollar, you can say it's neutral or in a bottoming phase. Uh, Looking at the gold chart, we have had bounced from a very strong support, which is 1780. We have something that we can call it a double bottom. So if we are going to move higher from these levels, we are going, if we can close above 1865 for a session or two, we can expect 1900 to 1910. From there, gold is a pure sell. I don't see gold moving beyond 1900. It's 1910, like an extra being cautious $10. Now, if gold fails and falls below 1820, the whole breakout is done. Completely is invalid, and you can sell gold with a stop loss about 1845, or you wait for more safe trade if gold can break below 1785. It's a sell up to 1680. Now that's it for me for this week. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe, and find the link for our free Telegram room. You will find it in the description of this video, and also if you are interested in our premium services, you might contact us on the WhatsApp number, which is at the beginning of this video and also in the description of this video, because we are running a very great discount. This is like not happening. It's a seasonal discount, let's say. That's all for me for this week. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week in another video.